Introducing the revolutionary new 20-bar espresso machine, designed to elevate your coffee experience to the next level. With its 1350W high performance and advanced features like the detachable transparent water tank and thermo-block heating system, this espresso machine is a game changer in the world of coffee brewing. Imagine starting your day with a perfectly brewed cup of espresso, just the way you like it. With the 20-bar espresso machine, you can enjoy barista-quality coffee in the comfort of your own home. The beating system ensures that every cup of espresso is rich, creamy, and full of flavor. Say goodbye to mediocre coffee and hello to a truly exceptional coffee experience. And remember, this product is exclusively available through select retailers, so you won't find it on Amazon. Don't miss out on the opportunity to own this cutting-edge espresso machine. So why wait? Elevate your coffee game today with the new 20-bar espresso machine. Order now and experience the difference for yourself. Upgrade your coffee experience with the 20-bar espresso machine. Order now and indulge in the perfect cup of espresso every time. Click the link in the description to order your 20-bar espresso machine today and start brewing barista-quality coffee.